So now we are going into our room. This is room 201 called Ryokan. It's one of the two suite villas on this, and it's on the second floor. The other is next door in room 201. They're similar, but for some reason 201 is one category higher. But anyway, so they're both suite villas. We enter. And let me see here. All right. So this is the hallway, but before we get there, let's turn left. And you have the closet to put everything in. So here you have the place, a safe. This is a phone charging kit. Over here, it says samue. Samue is kind of like a robe, like a relaxing robe. It was originally something that Buddhist monks used to wear in temples as they worked outside tending the gardens, and it's basically work garb. These are pajamas, and then these are kind of Ainu inspired wear. If it's chilly, you can throw this on, and they have it in various sizes. You also have, people have different preferences in pillows, so they have some extra ones there. I guess these are handmade kind of things, bags, cloth bags that you can take home. And then, let me see here. Over here, then, is the toilet. Has all the modern trimmings befitting of a Japanese luxury inn. And then coming this way is the bathroom. So I was wrong earlier. I think I said 7 or 8 years. This property is celebrated its 6th year anniversary last month. So it was founded in 2019. The Tsuruga group is celebrated its 70th anniversary. It operates quite a few properties in Hokkaido, mainly in Hokkaido, if not only in Hokkaido. And the place we stayed before, Lake Akan property, Tsuruga Besso, Hinanoza, is where they're headquartered. So anyways, this is the onsen. And then over there, there's a seating area. Pretty large bath. So what I don't know yet is whether Shikotsu, this place, the onsen is, I don't know that it's straight piped in from the source and it's free flowing or not. I believe it's carried in and there's some, then it's heated and then recirculated. But I'll find out. All right, so then we walk down hallway, and this is the main living area. There's a sitting place, and this is the TV, a dining table. So this is 140 square meters, and it's almost the top category room. The suite villa, 140 square meters. I believe there is an executive suite villa, which is it's a mezzanine style, two-story duplex style room, which is the highest category room. And actually, we're going to see if we can transfer over there. The other interesting thing about this property is that they do a couple of things. One is that it's all inclusive, and ryokans are half board, dinner and breakfast, and there's some complimentary mini bar items and whatnot. But The booze is also inclusive, except for like really high-end stuff. So that's one aspect. So here's the welcome. Some treats. I got one hand. Here we go. A variety of fruit, as well as chocolate. Okay, and then I cannot answer the phone, so I'm going to come over here. So this, again, a living area. This is the bedroom. The bedroom can be sealed by, rolling this and closing it. It's not going to be as soundproof as a solid wall because you can see there's a gap up here. But you should be able to shield from outside light. So then the final thing to see here is from here. I don't know how to open it. How much of a tug I give it. Anyway, so this is the seating lounge area. I believe there's a way to open this, but I can't do it with one hand, and I don't know where the switch is. Okay, anyway, so that's, oh, here it is. Sorry about that. I should do my homework before sharing these rooms. So again, that's the onsen and the bathroom beyond. So the one drawback that I see from this property is that it's lake. There's trucks. So there's a road. The Lake Akan property, you have a wonderful view of the lake. From here, at least from this room on the second floor, you don't see the lake. So there is no view at all. Although it's like 150 feet to the lake, but yeah, you're not going to be able to see it. So anyways, we're going to see if the executive suite villa is available. So this is a suite villa, 1 story, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. All rooms have open air. I don't know about open air, but onsen baths. So anyways, that's that. I hope you enjoyed.